I think we just found my new favorite place in northern Taiwan. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're in the middle of nowhere and there's no hiking involved so far, but we're already at an amazing waterfall. More about that later. We're gonna jump into the water here now and just having an amazing day. Okay, so change of plans. I was gonna continue the whole introduction here, but I actually fell into the water. All my clothes are soaking wet right now.
感觉到水真的很冷。好，试试看哦。
Now we find out if the iPhone 10 actually is waterproof.
What? Oh my god.
iPhone 10, for people who have wondered if they're actually waterproof or not, it is. It is. I just switched to swimming pants right away and we're gonna jump into this water now on purpose this time. And just having a great time. So I honestly have no idea what the name of this waterfall is. I will put the name up here for you. I will Google it when I come back home. We just jumped on the scooters from Taipei. We passed Pingxi, I know that. And then we ended up here. And it's right by the road. So if you just park the scooters, the stairs to this waterfall, it's right by the scooter parking. You just walk down. It literally takes you 20 seconds from the road. You're down here. We have the amazing view on this side. And then it's the waterfall on the other, and it's just 360 degrees of just amazing Taiwan nature right here. And it's actually super deep water here as well, so if you're brave enough you could actually jump from the top of this waterfall. They even have ropes you could try to climb up for. Not everyone has the arm strength needed to climb up with these ropes here. But there is another way. You can walk on the other side of the waterfall, climb up. There's some slippery stairs. You can reach the top of the waterfall, and from there, jump down. Insane. So this is starting to get more and more dangerous actually, because my camera gets closer and closer to the water for every step I take, and none of my cameras can swim, but one of my cameras can fly. You can even see the waterfall from the road too, which is what got our attention. So although there's no hiking, no adventure involved this time, we still had a great day here in the nature of Taiwan. First of all, was driving the scooter, so I have literally no idea where exactly we are right now. But basically, drive past Pingxi. When you see a sign like this that says attention and a guy almost drowning, that's when you take the staircase down here. 20 seconds, you will arrive to the waterfall. But what I will do is that I will put the name of the waterfall right here so you can see. Plus there will be a link down in the description below as well to this place, so you know exactly where we are. Right now I have no clue. There's no internet on our phones. I cannot look it up. Not sure what we're gonna end up doing now, but just jump on the scooter, see what else they have along this road. Maybe take another road. We honestly don't know, but we'll see you when we get there. So after playing around all day in the waterfall and in the water, now we're passing by Shifen. We're heading to the beach. Quite a scooter ride actually. I would say it took 30 to 45 minutes on the scooters. We arrived here in Jinshawan Beach, which is Francois' absolute favorite beach in Taiwan, and one of the reasons for that is that they have a super nice restaurant with an amazing view right by the beach, and we did have some great waffles and iced coffee, but we were too hungry, so we just killed those waffles before we had any time or any thought of recording anything. But I took one photo and put it on my Instagram, so as you can see, it was delicious. Now we're gonna head over here and enjoy the beach as well. So at least I had a great time in the water here too. Francois stayed on land today. I don't know his excuse really. What is his excuse, Francois?
Too many waves.
Too many waves. If I'm at the beach, we do have time, of course I'm gonna go into the water. So far 2 out of 2 places have been absolutely phenomenal today. What are we doing now, Francois?
I think we can ride along the coast, see what we can find.
So we're gonna jump on the scooters now, head back to Taipei, and hopefully have an amazing rest of today. And on the way back from the beach, we also have this golden waterfall. This part of Taiwan is amazing. Not only have we had these amazing views and landscapes when we're driving on the scooter, you have the mountain on one side, you have the ocean on the other. You also have these waterfalls here. This is the golden waterfall, which is in between Jinshawan and Taipei City, and it's just so beautiful. And as if that was not enough, just slightly above up here we have Jiufen and Teapot Mountain as well. So I agree that this area is not that convenient if you have to rely on public transportation. Then you basically have to pick 1 or maybe 2 places and then sacrifice a whole day to go and check it out. But it is definitely worth it. If it has to take 10 days or 10 weekends, let it take 10 weekends, because you actually have to come here and check out every single place. I'm very lucky that Francois invited me here on the scooter, so we get to see so much in a single day. But you should definitely come here and check it out. And just driving on the road in this area is just such an experience itself, and then you get to see these places as well, and it's just the best time. If you ever have the opportunity to rent a scooter, or if you have a friend that could take you around here, definitely head up to this area. Pingxi, Jiufen, Shifen, Geelong. Northeast coast of Taiwan, this whole area is amazing. You cannot go more than 5 minutes without having another just amazing view better than the last one. But as amazing as this day has been, sun is starting to set. We're gonna head back to Taipei, and I thank you all so much for watching to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Also check out Francois's video, and see you all in the next one.